a whisper from the sea, and a little soul, and a little soul. Dancing with me.
What's up, guys? It is Simone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're working with OMGqueenhair, and today is 100% a glueless install. So to get started, I wanted to show you guys how the unit looks. You know, my typical, I like to give you guys a full unboxing so you can see exactly what I received. I decided to put on a stocking cap. You can totally skip this step, but I was just in the mood to put one on, so I was like, sure, let's do it. But this headband is going to be the key ingredient to keeping your lace frontal wig glueless, okay? So I'm showing you inside, and I also tightened the adjustable bands that came on the wig cap, okay? Now, because it is a 360, I am going to cut the lace off in the back, and then I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Now, I do want to make clear to you guys that I actually did pluck this off camera. It's really important that you do pluck it for a nice natural finish because, you know, it does come very full in the front, and for a natural look, it needs to be slightly plucked or heavily plucked, whatever you like to do. For the next step, I'm going to go ahead and cut off as much lace as possible. Now, I am actually using their invisible lace. I will say I didn't tint it, I didn't color the lace, I didn't alter the lace. This is exactly how it did come, and it did actually blend in with my skin. I know I have a stocking cap on, but even when I put it on my skin, it did blend perfectly as well. So to go ahead and create some baby hairs for this look, because I feel like if it's glueless, you will kind of need to create baby hairs. That's just my opinion. So here I am. I cut them very short because the longer they are, the more harder it will be for it to stay in place. And then I'm using some setting foam that I will link down below for you guys. And I've been using this for the past like 4 videos, but I love it because 1, it smells good, 2, it does the job, and 3, it doesn't leave your hair greasy and feeling weird. So I actually like to put it in my curls. I think it's like the perfect tool and product to use when you have curly hair because it helps to keep it nice and tamed, and it kind of brings out the curls. It kind of makes the curls look more jerry curlish, more spirally, and more all around silky, and just gives it a nice shine without the hair being greasy. So I've been definitely pushing for you guys to try it because I absolutely love it, and I just ended up buying it because it was on sale at my local beauty supply store, and I was like, yippee. So what I didn't show you guys on camera because my spray bottle actually broke is you do want to mix the setting foam with water just to kind of loosen it, to kind of dilute it a little bit. You can use all setting foam, but then you'll be going through bottles of this daily. So definitely go ahead and dilute it with water if you can. But I absolutely love the curls on this unit, and I love the way the hair feels, and I love the way the hair looks. By the way, guys, they are having 40% off the entire site, so definitely go ahead and check that out for Black Friday and for Cyber Monday. This entire install was super easy. Oh my god, it was so easy to do, and I was actually shocked. And I actually do have it on a wig head right now, so I'm like, oh my god, perfect, I can wear it on my off days. And I for me, it was so important to try to do this look with no glue and no gel, just because I feel like, that is, what we're used to, and sometimes people really just want a wig that they can put on and take off. Now, the good thing about this is a fun fact. Once you do all of this styling, all this plucking, all this setting, you kind of don't have to do this again until you wash the wig, which means you can put it on the mannequin head, take it off the mannequin head for whenever you're ready to leave the house and ready to go. This hair is also actually very affordable. Very affordable. Want to make that clear to you guys. I just put a little bit more on the top of my head, and I'm using a Denman brush to just like uniform the curls. And then I went ahead and tied down the edges, because if not, the hair, because it's so curly, it will like spring back up. So just make sure you tie it down for a little bit, maybe like, you know, 10 to 20 minutes as you're doing your makeup, as you're getting ready, just so that it's set and will stay. Okay, now it's time to release the curls, release the edges. So I'm gonna untie it, and I absolutely love the way it came out. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little impressed by the work that I did, because I thought it looked so good. So you can see my expression right here. I had to put makeup over on my skin because the setting foam kind of wiped it away from my forehead, so ignore that part. But look at the back of the girls, they're so pretty, so uniforms. Now I'm going to be using some foundation, and I'm going to just put this in the part just to brighten it. I always do this, guys. This is like something that I can't skip. For some looks I can, but for the most part, it does just add that extra pop. So I'm always a huge advocate for doing this. Now, don't use concealer, because concealer is usually lighter than your skin. If you are using that, use your foundation or concealer that's your skin color, okay, so that it blends and looks really good. Don't use something bright, because it will look like a highlighted. It will just look weird, okay? So yes, this is my end result. Now I do want to show you guys how it looks when I take it off, though. That's important. So the best part about it being glueless is you can literally have it on your head 1 second, and then boom, it's off the next. And that's what I love about glueless. It's so easy. It's not a permanent decision. You don't have to wear it every day of the week until you time to redo your hair. It's perfect. So look down below for all the information on this wig, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this.